हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बसंत यादव आज इंग्लिश क्लास 12 में ए ग्रेट इंडियन इंग्लिश पोएट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर द्वारा लिखा पोयम माई हेवन को बताएंगे। पोयम को एक्सप्लेन करने से पहले इसकी थीम को जानने का प्रयास करें। द पोयम माई हेवन इज रिटन बाय द पोएट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर who described about his country in the poem. The poet actually praying to God is so that his countrymen can be fearless. Actually, the poet wants peace in the country and wants to see the country go for progress. Let's begin the poem. Bye. Let's begin the poem. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic wars. In this stanza, the poet prayed to God to make India an ideal and great nation of his own dreams. Praying to God, the poet aspires that the people of India should get all freedom, political and social. They should have freedom of thought and mind. They should learn to value of self-respect and honor. They should be able to raise their head with honors before other nations. They should have freedom of knowledge and free education. They should not be ruled by narrow ideas of caste, creed, and color. Conduct should be led by truth and honesty. They should be laborious to make all sides progress of only when the nation can achieve perfection. Thanks. Next stanza. Where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear streams of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert's scent of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into the heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. In this stanza, the poet expresses the desire for all-round development of his country. Here, the poet's ideal picture of free India, he prayed to God to make his country mind strong and progressive. The poet expresses his keen desire for the progress of his country. According to the own ideals, he prayed to God make his countrymen free from the useless habits or traditions of the past. He compares reasons or well thoughts, illogical conclusion to the clear streams. The streams of reasons should not follow through the desert of our custom and habits. The idea is that a countryman should accept a new ideas based on a reason or wisdom. There should be progressive in thoughts and action. In the end of the poet, pray to God to bless his country with freedom. Thanks.